Hello, good morning, all the student of class 7. Welcome back. The online classes, the SPS online classes at Scottish Public School, Raghunathpur Parsi. Today we will discuss the subject is mathematics. Okay, from class 8, the topic is area of triangles. The last class we will be discussing about areas of the parallelogram and rhombus. In our previous class we were discussing about the area of parallelogram and rhombus. तो हम पढ़े थे कि हम लोग कैसे एरिया rhombus और parallelogram का एरिया कैलकुलेट करेंगे. Now today we will discuss about the area of triangles. हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स मतलब ट्रायंगल्स का एरिया कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ओके, as we know that what is triangle? Triangle is a closed figure which is bounded by three line segments. As we know that by the definition of triangle. So let's look at this. ABCD is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Look at this. AB, BC and AC is the side. Is the side of the triangle. Is the side of the triangle and it's a ABC angle ABC and it's a BCA and ABC, BCA and BAC are the angles of the triangle. Okay, and A, B and C are the vertices of the triangle. Vertices of the triangle is the vertices of the triangle. Look at this. The triangle is the what? Is a geometrical figure. Name is the geometrical figure. और इसको बोल सकते हैं triangle is a geometrical figure which is bounded by three line segment. तो AC is the line segment, AB is the line segment, and BC is the line segment. In a triangle, three vertices, three sides, and three angles. So obviously we have the few information about the triangle. So first of all, we will discuss how we calculate the area of triangle. Okay, the area of triangle. This is the line which is perpendicular on at BC. This is the line and perpendicular at BC. अब ये जो line है, that means ये perpendicular इसमें BC है. So basically, area of triangle is half into base into height. So we can use this formula with any triangle when height is given. We can use this formula with any triangle when height is given and width of the triangle is given. Okay, look at this. If 1 by 2 into base is denoted by B and height is denoted by h. Okay, so half into base into h. It's a basic formula of the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle मतलब ये बेसिक फॉर्मूला सभी ट्रायंगल के लिए एप्लीकेबल होगा कि व्हेन हाइट एंड बेस ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इज नोन. लुक एट द फिगर. नहीं, if we talking about, we will talk about this figure. That means what? Half into BC is the base and AB is the height of the triangle. It's the height of the triangle, or sometimes height. H-E-I-G-H-T, height, or sometimes it's known as altitude. Sometimes it's known as altitude. A-L-T-I-T-U, the altitude of the triangle, which is denoted by h. We can use this formula. To calculate the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Now look at this. Area of the triangle. So there are basically three formulas. Area of the triangle to calculate the area of the triangle. Now look at this. As we know that there are 6 kinds of triangle. One is on the basis of angles and one is on the basis of side. Look at this. On the basis of angle there are 3 kinds of triangle. नहीं, that means equilateral triangle, okay, and right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle, okay. Obtuse angle triangle, that means one angle is equal to what? One angle is greater than 0 and one angle is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. In this triangle, theta equals to what? 90 degree. For this triangle, what? Theta is greater than 90 and less than 180 degree. So this is the rectangle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. And other types of triangle is on the basis of side. Equilateral triangle in which all sides are equal, okay, and another one is isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal, and one is scalene triangle in which all sides are unequal. Look at this. The area of triangle. The area of equilateral triangle is from the area of equilateral triangle is, look at it. This is the equilateral triangle. That means A, B and C is the equilateral triangle in which all sides are equal. Suppose that this one is A, this one is A, this one is A. We can mention AB equals to AC equals to BC equals to A. Is the side of the triangle. Look at this. The area of this triangle is especially using root 3/4 into a square. This is the basic formula to calculate the area of equilateral triangle. Okay, where A is the side of the triangle. Where A is the side of the triangle. Now look at this. How we calculate it? Suppose question तुमसे पूछा जाए कि how we derive this mathematical formula. तो एक अनदर फॉर्मूला होता है जिसको हम लोग किसी ट्रायंगल का एरिया कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं व्हेन साइड इज गिवन. Then we can use another formula to calculate the area of triangle in which all the sides of a triangle is given. एक अनदर फॉर्मूला है जिसको हम यूज करके ट्रायंगल का एरिया कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं हीरोन्स फार्मूला. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? हीरोन्स फार्मूला. Heron's formula. FORMULA. It's a Heron's formula. मतलब इस फॉर्मूला के हेल्प से आप किसी भी ट्रायंगल का एरिया को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. Heron's formula स्टेट्स नहीं, अब किसी भी ट्रायंगल, सपोज दैट इट्स एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. A, B, C. Okay, that means all sides are equal. A and A. Now look at this. When we will use the Heron's formula, we have to follow two steps. The first one is S. S is the perimeter. Perimeter. Perimeter of the triangle. So S will be equal to A plus B plus C. तो क्या 2S लगाएंगे? नहीं. Finally we can write 2S as equals to A plus B plus C by 2. So as now it's a semi-perimeter of the triangle. Okay, it's the semi-perimeter of the triangle. अब look at this. A plus B and C are the sides of the triangle. A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. अब look at this. All sides are equal. Now suppose that it's a A, it's a B, it's a C. And here A equals to B equals to C equals to A. Okay, we can put A at the place of all. So we can mention here A plus A by 2 is this is equal to 3A by 2. It's a what? It's semi-perimeter of the triangle. Semi-perimeter of the triangle. It's a semi-perimeter of the triangle. Look at this. The area of triangle by Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Okay. This will be equal to as बराबर area equals to put under as minus A S minus B or S minus C. Okay, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle and A, B, and C are the sides of the triangle. Now look at this. अब look at this कि S is a perimeter, तो S का वैल्यू 3a by 2 and 3a by 2 minus a and 3a by 2 minus a again and 3a by 2 minus a again. Now look at this. Now 3a by 2 into 2 into LCM करेंगे इसका 1. So 3a minus 2a by 1, that means a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2. A by 2. Look at this. Now a square, a into a into a into a. That means what? The root under 3 into a into a into a into a by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay? This will be equals to what? A into a into a. That means a into a by 2 into 2 root under, look at this, 3. Root under 3. Why? Because it's a pair now. अगर inside the root 2 नंबर सिमिलर हो तो एक नंबर बाहर आता है. अगर 2 नंबर सिमिलर हो तो एक नंबर को बाहर करेंगे, नीचे से 2 आ जाएगा डबल 2 एंड ऊपर से डबल a. तो फाइनली यहाँ पे हो जाएगा कि a square by 4 into root 3. तो फाइनली we can write what? Finally we can write what? Finally we can write e root 3 by 4 a square. Okay, root 3 by 4 a square is the required formula to calculate the area of equilateral triangle. Okay, so in case of equilateral triangle we will not use the formula of Heron's formula. We will not use Heron's formula to calculate the area of triangle or another formula half into base into height. We will not use this formula. We will not use this formula. Okay, we will directly use this formula root 3 by 4 into a square. Okay. Look at this. How we calculate the area of, how we calculate the height of equilateral triangle? Nahin, how we calculate the height of equilateral triangle? A, B, C, and exactly height of the second topic is height of equilateral triangle. Height of equilateral triangle. Height of equilateral triangle. How we calculate the height of equilateral triangle? Now look at the figure. ABCD is an equilateral triangle. Okay, ABCD is an equilateral triangle. We will draw a perpendicular from A to A at BC. That means draw करेंगे draw what? AD perpendicular BC. AD perpendicular and bisector. AD perpendicular BC and bisect. BISECT as bisect BC. ओके, ये जो पॉइंट है ये D, दैट मींस दिस लाइन, ये जो लाइन है AD, ये क्या है परपेंडिकुलर तो है ही, एज वेल एज ये क्या कर रहा है बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है किसको BC को, मतलब दिस लेंथ शुड बी इक्वल टू दिस लेंथ. ओके, दिस लेंथ शुड बी इक्वल टू दिस लेंथ. अब सपोज दैट इट्स एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, तो A and A is the size of the triangle. अब look at this, we can mention कि AB बराबर BC बराबर AC equals to A. अब look at this कि whole length is A. अब ये जो मिड पॉइंट है obviously A by 2 and A by 2. So finally we can mention कि BD equals to A by 2 and DC equals to A by 2. अब look at this. This is the height of the triangle. This is the height of the triangle. Equilateral triangle. अब look at this. We can consider half of the figure. Figure looks like that. Figure looks like that. It's a A, it's a D, it's a C. Now look at this. Perpendicular that means one angle is equal to 90 degree in the triangle. Look at this. This is a 90 degree. So right angle triangle, it's a right angle triangle. Okay. So in case of right angle triangle, height. That means AD का square should be equals to AC square minus DC square from Pythagoras theorem. From Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now look at this. AD. What is the value of AC? Value of AC is A square minus value of AC equals to what? A square. AC का square that is A square and DC that means what? DC A by 2 का whole square. A by 2 to the whole square. अब look at this. A square minus A square by 4. Okay? A square by 4. We will take LCM. So finally AD का square should be equal to 4A square minus A square by 4. Okay? अब look at this. ठीक है 3A square by 4. तो finally AD should be equal to root under 3A square by 4. अब look at this. 2A है एक बाहर आएगा और नीचे 4 है एक 2 बाहर आएगा into root 3. So finally A root 3 by 2. It's the height of the equilateral triangle. It's the height of equilateral triangle. It's the height of equilateral triangle. It's the height of equilateral triangle. Suppose that in the questions is given, suppose the area of the triangle is given, you have to calculate the height of the triangle. You can use the formula. Suppose that simply when side of the triangle is given, and question is that you have to calculate the height of the equilateral triangle. You can using this formula. You can use this formula and put the value and get the answer. Now we'll see in more questions. Find the area of a triangle which base 25 cm and height 14 cm. Find the height of a triangle whose base is 15 cm and area is 120 cm. Suppose that it is a triangle. It's a triangle, okay? So it's a A, it's a B, it's a C. Given BC, AB is the base which is given is 15 centimeters, okay? Is given. Find the height of a triangle whose base is 15 cm and area of the triangle equals to 120 cm square. 120 cm square, and you have to find the value of h. It's an h. Okay, so you have to find the value of CD is the length, which is height. Okay, so what we have? We have the formula area of triangle should be equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Okay, what is the value of area? Area equals to 120 equals to 1 by 2 into what is the value of base 15 into h. Now look at this. 15 h should be equal to 120 into 2. ये cross multiplication. Nothing is there 1. 1 से multiplied by this term and 2 से multiplied by 120. So now we have h equals to 120 into 2 by 15. 120 into 2 by 15. So 15 1 is 15. 15 is 120. Okay. So now it will 16 centimeter is the required height of the triangle. Is the required height of the triangle. Okay. Now the class is over. Your homework is exercise 20, exercise 20D. Okay, exercise 20D, question number 1 to 5. Yeah, maybe 1 to 10 as per your possibilities. Okay, question number 1 to 10 you have to solve it. If any doubt related to the topic, that means if there is any doubt related to the topic, you can comment on your WhatsApp group at 7 o'clock evening. Okay. If you have any doubt related to the topic, sir, you will not understand when you are taking the classes, doesn't matter, right? Okay, you have any doubt, so please comment. Okay, comment on your WhatsApp group at the given time. Time is 7 o'clock at evening. Okay, and I hope you will understand and just try to solve the question 1 to 10. Okay, thank you.